Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make a certificate on Canva. There are two ways you can start off. First, you could simply tap in the search bar and you could type in certificate. And from here you can either select landscape certificate or you can select portrait, and you can see the different size. But if you would like to build one with a custom size, all you have to do is simply tap on custom size in the top right hand corner and then enter that particular size. For this example, I'll create a portrait certificate, so you could simply tap on that. Then from here you are going to see numerous templates you can choose from, or you can select one of the headings up top right here. So let's say you want to build one for Employee of the Month. You could simply tap on Employee of the Month. Then you are going to see templates of certificates that are referring to Employees of the Month, as you can see right here. And by the way, any certificate that you see with a gold crown beside it that says Pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber. For example, like this one right here. But there are numerous templates that you can choose from. For this example, I'll simply choose this template right here. So first, you're going to tap on the template that you'd like to use. Then you're going to tap on Customize this template. After you have selected Customize this template, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you'll be able to add your own personal touch to the template. For example, the first thing you'd like to do is change the text right here. So you're going to change the name. So you'll simply select all of the text in this section. Then you can type in the person's name that you would like to add. Let me do that real quick. You can also change the font style if you want by going in the top left hand corner and tap right where you see Great Vibes on my screen. And from here you could select another font style, but I like this particular one. And you can also change the size of the font by tapping right where you see 72 on my screen. And you can also change the color of the font by simply highlighting the font, or the text better yet, then selecting the color that you would like to use. So you can choose any color, as you can see right there. After you have done that, you can tap on this text box also, and you could edit it any way you want. And you can tap on this particular text box and you can also edit it. You can also edit the wording at the top right here. And if you would like to, for example, add your company logo or so on to this section, you can do that by simply tapping on the box, then selecting the trash can. Then you'll go over to the left hand menu option and select Elements. After selecting Elements, from here you could simply scroll down. You'll scroll down until you see Frames, as you can see right here. Then you could simply tap on the circle frame. And for example, you could make it smaller. After you have made it smaller, you could tap on Uploads. And from here, you could upload your logo. After you have uploaded your logo, all you'll have to do is simply tap on it and drag it to that box, as you can see right there, to add your logo. And you can also change this text box. And if you would like to change the color of the certificate, you can simply tap on the section that you would like to change the color for. Then tap on the color box in the top left hand corner. And from here you can select the color that you would like to change it to. And you can do that with all sections by simply tapping on the particular section. And if you would like to change the entire background color or image, you can simply tap on the free space. Then from here you could tap on the background color box in the top left hand corner, and you could select the color that you would like the background to be. Once it is finished, you are going to tap on Share in the top right hand corner, and from here you are going to tap on Download. Then you will simply tap on Download to download it. And if you would like to change the size, you will see a slider right here. you can simply pull across to change the size of the certificate. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.